Good morning to all, everybody, students of class 10th. I, Ramanand Prasad Rai, want to teach you math, trigonometric ratio, lesson 11. I want to solve some of them questions from lesson 11. See question number 11. Verify each of the following. Sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 60 degree into sin 30 degree is equal to sin 30 degree. Solution. Putting the value of sin 60 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 60 degree, sin 30 degree in this expression, we see sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2 minus, here is minus, cos 60 degree, here we put the value of it 1 by 2 into sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Now is equal to sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. We know that root 3 into root 3 is equal to root 9. The square root of root 9 is equal to 3 by 2 to the 4 minus 1 into 1 is equal to 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now taking the LCM of 4 and 4, we get the LCM 4. Doing fraction, doing subtraction, 3 minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, same is written as before. 2 by 4 it is cancelled in the table of 2 and 2 cuts in 1 times and 4 cuts in 2 times. So here is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. That is proof. Now question number 12, look at. If A is equal to 30 degree, verify that sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. Solution start. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. Sin 2 into A is equal to 30 degree, which is given to you in the question, is equal to 2 into sin 30 degree into cos 30 degree. 30 into 2 is equal to 60 degree. It means here is sin 60 degree is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Here is 2 cancel. Sin 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, as we know, is equal to now root 3 by 2. This is proved. LHS is equal to RHS. Now question number 13. If A is equal to 30 degree, verify that sin 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 plus tan square A. See page number 2. Solution of question number 13. See again. Sin 2A is equal to 2 into tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Sin 2 into 30 degree is equal to 2 into tan 30 degree divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Putting the value of tan 30 degree in the expression and the value of sin 60 degree, as we know, root 3 by 2. Now 2 into tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. This is the sign of division. So here I have written the sign divide. 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 divided by root 3. Divide. Middle course start. 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 by 3. 2 by root 3 divided by 1 divided by plus divided by 4 by 3. 2 by root 3, here divide sign changes into plus into sign. So 3 will be up and 4 will be down. 2 2 is 4, it is cancelled, and here it is written 3 by 2 root 3. Now root 3 is rationalized, so root 3 is multiple with numerator and denominator both, so we get 3 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. 3 cancel, so root 3 by 2 we get. As we know, sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. First is equal to second equation, it is proved. Now question number 14, look at, if A is equal to 60 degree and B is equal to 30 degree, verify that. Question number 1, sin cos start A plus B cos close is equal to sin A into cos A plus cos A into sin B. Solution, sin A plus B is equal to sin A into cos A plus cos A into sin B. Putting the value of A and B here in this expression, now we see sin 60 degree plus 30 degree is equal to sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree into sin 30 degree. 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree, sin 90 degree is equal to sin 60 degree, as we know, root 3 by 2, cos 30 degree we know, root 3 by 2, plus cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2 into sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1, 2 2 is 4. Now adding this fraction, we get 4 by 4 is equal to 1, which was to be proved. Now thank you for this. Now again I will meet you in another classes. Till now, thank you.